Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day. I'm back, guys. I'm back on behalf of Six Figure Stamp Club, okay? Want to come back with you guys. I'm going to do another video. I want to update you on some things, but I want to just show you some results, okay, for the Six Figure Stamp Club. But before we get to that, this is an awesome program. I'm going to show you these letters that I have. Awesome program. It's a direct mail program. It's got four levels here of income you can make. 50, 150, 300, and $1,000. Okay? It's a direct mail program, guys, that allows you to become a member to buy your leads, your direct mail leads from. Okay? Doesn't matter what business you're in out there, you need leads. Okay? So this company sells targeted leads, okay, and they're exclusive to you. They only assign them to you. They don't recycle them and sell them over and over. Okay, that's what I like about the program. So by being in direct mail space, they have these letters. So depending on what level you come in at, you would mail these letters out. And when people sign up, they're signing up to get leads, and they're also signing up to be a reseller, okay? So they can resell these packages, these 4 packages, these lead packages. But they sell leads as well. Let's say, an example would be, let's say you said, well, I need leads. I like the program I'm in. I'm just struggling with it, but I need some targeted leads. I don't want to be a member. I don't want to do any of that. I just want to buy leads from you. Not a problem. Since I am a member of the club, I'm able to get the leads at a membership rate, a discount, okay? And then I will retail them to you. Okay, a prime example would be I can get you 1,000 leads for $100. Okay, if not, you'd spend $265, I think, or $285 for that. Okay, so the rate would be different. So why not be a member? So you can get them at the same price I'm getting them at, and then resell. Okay, increase your income and resell these lead packages. Okay, these 4 packages. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. First reason I want to join is because I'm in a direct mail program, so I need the leads for that program. But these leads are for anyone, guys. Remember that. They're for anyone. What I like about this company as well is they will email you your leads. That way you can market to these people over and over, but they'll also mail them to you, okay? But to get to the deal of it, I'm going to show you what I did is I made my letters color coordinated, okay? They've got a new sales letter that's coming out next week. So it's going to change, but I wanted you to see, if I can get it here. Okay, so the red level, let's just do that one. As you can see right here, this is the red level. You make $50, guys, on this. Okay, can you see that? You're going to get 100 leads if you join at that red level. Awesome, and you get stamps. So when someone joins you, they've got to send stamps in too. Okay, next one up is the blue level. You can make $150 every time someone comes in at that blue level. And the company's going to mail 200 leads to the person that joins you. Okay? And then they become a reseller, and they can resell these packages over and over. The black level, very popular. Okay? $300 commissions you're going to make every time someone comes in at that black level. And the person that joins you, they get 300 leads. Okay? Cream of the crop, the pearl. $1,000 commissions, guys. That's amazing, okay? And they have to send stamps in. Every time you join one of these levels, you have to send the person that you're joining stamps. So you're going to send them stamps and cash. So you're looking at 1,000 leads you're going to get, okay, with this one. But I'm qualified for all the levels. That's why I'm showing you all the letters, okay? So it's a win-win. But I recommend become a member, okay, and take advantage of the income stream to be able to make money on these 4 levels, okay? So, 4 levels, okay? Now, before they're changing this, we're going to have a website too. So that's the new thing that's coming out. I'll come back and talk about that later. They're going to have a website. You're going to have an affiliate link, so people will be able to join you online. So this is going to be very powerful to be able to have an offline opportunity and online. So people can sign up online, get the letter online. The people that will get it in the mail, of course, they would open up the letter and they have to make their copies, okay? But they're going to need to go online to create an account. That's what I like about it. You're going to have your own account, your own back office, everything, so you can track your sales. They're coming out with a postcard as well, so that's going to be great because I know a lot of people have been asking me about a postcard, which I am still creating one. I just like that creativity for myself to brand me, so I have my own postcard, but the company Six Figure Stamp Club is going to have postcards, guys, which is going to be awesome. All you're going to have to do is go in your back office and order those cards, and they'll mail them out to you, okay? So, awesome program. Direct mail, very easy. The product is the leads, okay? Let me show you what I received real quick here from the company. Now, they've already emailed me my leads, but they mailed them to you, okay? This is the first package. This was 400 here. See their name right there. And then I just got the 1,000 the other day because I ordered 1,000 from the Stamp Club, okay? So I have right here in my hand, 1,400 leads, okay? But they emailed them to me. That's the way I want them, because what I do is I print them out and I go to Office Depot, get them printed out. I also use Avery, but I use these labels, and that way I can market to these people over and over, okay? So I do use the leads. That's what I'm telling you guys. I use the leads. And I've already mailed out, I think 2 weeks I've mailed out now, possibly. A week and a half, something of that nature. So I'm looking forward to getting the results from that. But definitely, guys, if you're looking for something easy, easy breezy, direct mail. And this program is an awesome way to do it because everybody needs leads. You have something that everybody needs that's online right now. Okay? That's the thing. You're selling something that's a necessity and not a luxury. There's a difference. They need this. Okay? It's just not something just to have. Everybody needs leads to survive out here, whether they're doing something offline or online. Okay? Now, with that being said, I'm going to put the link below for you to go ahead and join me. I am matching whatever the company gives you, except the red level. In order to get my bonus, you've got to come in at the blue or higher. Okay? Blue level or higher. And whatever the company is giving you, I'm going to match you. So the blue level gives you 200 leads. I'm going to give you 200. The black level gives you 300 leads. I'm going to give you 300. The pearl level gives you 1,000 leads. I'm going to give you 1,000. Okay, so I'm matching what they're doing. Okay, but you got to come in the blue or higher. All right. Now, real quick, I'm not going to keep you guys long, because like I said, I'm going to come back with some updates on the system. But I received 7. Okay, that's 7 of these packages. That's 2. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 packages, okay? Now, the deal is, guys, I'm in another direct mail program, so I don't know. I do recognize 2 names. The others, I have no idea. So, since I am promoting on this video today, just the Six Figure Stamp Club, the rest will be for the other program. That's how I'm going to do it, okay? So, out of these 7, I don't know. I do know, I think 2 or 3 may be Six Figure Stamp Club. But we will see, okay? The ones that aren't 6 figure, I'm not going to show those, all right? So, let's go. First one, Jerry. I believe this, okay, I know what this is. This is Jerry. This is not 6 figure. I'm not showing it, so that's one package. You see what I'm getting here. I know this is 6 figure. Welcome aboard, Carl. Carl just joined me. I know this is 6 figure because we talk via email. Okay. Trying to watch, stay on target because I want to keep this short, guys. Hang on one second. Okay, this is from Carl. We did have a conversation. So, all right. This is, all right, without showing his information, $50. Okay, welcome aboard, Carl, the red level. So, let me show you that. Okay, got a book of stamps, guys. That's what I'm talking about. That's 20. Okay, so you get a book of stamps. Alrighty. So, let's go here. Hang on. So, there we go. $50, okay? Alright, now, let's go to the next one. let's see. I don't know. I know this one. So okay, so this one is for Cynthia. All right. Let's see what. I already spoke to Cynthia, so I already know. 6-figure stamp club. Okay. All right. Welcome aboard, Cynthia. Cynthia's going to be combining this with her other direct mail program. Okay, so hang on. Okay, see that, guys? 300 letter. So let's open it up. Okay, let's see what we got here. 3 books of stamps, guys. Okay, 3 books of stamps. And 300 bucks. Okay. All right. Next one. Like I said, I'm not going to be opening the. Okay, this is. Okay, that's 30-day. I'm not opening 30-day packages. We're only opening 6-figure. Okay. So hang on. Let's get this one. They taped it up very, very well. Don't recognize the name, so I'm going to have to. See if I can get in this one. Okay, hang on. But this is perfect, guys. Again, as stated, easy, just mail it. Okay, and the company's coming out with postcards, so you can mail postcards too. You don't want to do the letters, or you can do both. Okay, this is 30-day. Okay, so put that to the side. Okay, let's see what we got here. Like I said, I had 7 packages to open. I didn't know what was in each one. Let's see what this one is. Hang on. That's 30 days. Hang on, guys. Alright, I think I'm on the last one. Yes. So far we had 2 for 6-figure. Okay. Okay, that's for the other program too. But as you can see, my direct mail business is booming, guys. Okay. It's just what it is. So that's why it's great to be in both. Okay. So we ended up with 303 books of stamps here. Okay, you see the letter. And we ended up with this one here. That's the 50. Okay, with 50 bucks. Okay, so we ended up with 350, guys, and 4 books of stamps. Okay, not a bad day, right? 350 and 4 books of stamps. Okay. So, definitely click that link below. Go ahead and join me. As I stated, I'm going to match what the company matches if you come in at the blue level or higher. Okay, whatever leads they're going to give you, I'm going to match that as well. Okay, so I look forward to you joining me. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos as well. Go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and opt into my page and check it out. See if this is something you're interested in. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I do this full time, so I'm readily available to speak with you. Okay, but go ahead and look at the presentation first. Jot down your questions and let's talk. Let's get you a game plan so that you too, okay, can get these stamps and this commission in the mail. All right, guys. So next time, see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.